we have the complete management team of GOVT Creative Arts Foundation. Before you, we have a brief introduction. Because of the time, I don't know whether we can have it individual mention of name and do the greeting. I think that's very important because in leadership of GOVT Creative Arts Foundation, we normally exercise our democratic rights. So all the teams that you are seeing before you are being duly elected by the creative themselves, the members of GOVT Creative Arts Foundation. We normally emphasize the election were carried out by the duly registered members of the GOVT Creative Arts Foundation. So before us, I think we are just going to have it in the order of sitting so that we don't waste a lot of our time. I'll start from my right on this first seat and then we will sit. Or we can start from behind and then we come. The order doesn't matter because we're only important persons. You can start from the other side.
It's funny.
My name's Dennis Labon, aka PSG Labon, the member of WOC.
You can say where you come from and you mention it. You can greet in local language. It's an interactive.
Good morning. Good morning. My name is Tempra Mona, and I'm definitely from Gillining, New York.
Who's light?
I have one.
Good morning, members. My name is Omar Benson. I am from Good.
Good morning.
The white one, the flat
from
one.
Navy, West Nile, member
Good morning. Nyala Nyala Immaculate, Sherry Princess, Akipade District, number 4.
You had just so you can do it.
Afoy Damwe, Kenyan one Pamela Peace, Atie one from Acholi sub-region. Walk.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. My name is Atman Sabir from Lubaraland. As in Yorosiba, in Ngoni.
Oh.
Boy, Danaway. I'm the one young Geoffrey. Tell her we can do any Rakaskepa. I'm that member of the war.
For my third members, Kenyan Kilwani Charles Sobiga, and I ask the West Side, Papa District. I think I'm
Good morning. My name is, you call me Adrele Bako Jamal. I'm coming from West Nile. I'm chairperson from West Nile. PRO Walk. And from Arua. Asia Mauro Chichiwa.
No.
How are you?
Yes, greetings, massive lovely people. I go by the name Saïd Saddam. From Karamoja, so I based in Kampala. Artist name, Vibe Ranke, biggest dancer artist from Uganda to the RY. Big up yourself, each everybody. All my people from Karamoja,
Good morning. Yeah, call me Nosuke Gabriel Epera. Those are my official names. Musically, I'm called Papa Shai from the Grandma's family. Chairperson, regional, sub-regional, Karamoja. Thank you so much.
We're going to hear.
Ladies and gentlemen, I recognize the sitting. Call me with the names Mongoni Bob, aka Raga Python, the Zero Apologies, West Nile Controversy. I'm the vetting committee chairperson for work. blessings. Thank you so much. As in you were Benga Maracha.
I'm called to Mr. Davis. Davido is my name. From Namor, stay in Guru City. I'm an artist.
Good morning. For maybe you know, Niagilo and then Sima Brand Okelo. Nimmewe, I'm Walkie Uganda. Thank you for coming.
Thank you, members of the press. My name is Atina Maros Caesar, also known as Professor Maros. I come from Lango. I represent Lango. In the World Creative Arts Foundation, I am the treasurer for our service. Thank you for coming.
Thank you so much. By the name Simon Uyo Nigiling, General Secretary, World Creative Arts Foundation, Talent Manager. Thank you so much.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Loktan Alex, also known as MC Great Jazza. I'm Karamoja representative and also Vice Chairperson, World Creative Arts Foundation. Thank you so much, and may God bless all of us.
Thank you so much, everyone. I'm called Aboda Solomon, commonly known as Badman Solo. I'm the chairperson of World Creative Arts Foundation.
Thank you so much. We are done with the first phase of our program. We are getting, this is our third work media briefing. On behalf of World Creative Arts Foundation, I stand before you today with deep gratitude and renewed purpose. We are here to publicly acknowledge and appreciate the government of Uganda through the Ministry of Gender, Labor and Social Development for partially funding our developmental proposal. Out of our 49 billion 10-year plan, the government has released an initial Uganda shilling 1 billion to support our circle initiative. This marks a significant milestone in our journey to transform the creative industry of northern Uganda. What is World Creative Arts Foundation? World Creative Arts Foundation is a registered company limited by guarantee, initiated by creative from all 9 domains of the creative arts, namely music, performing arts, films and video, visual arts and crafts, books and publishing, software and innovation, cultural and national heritage, support services and collecting societies. We are domiciled in the region of West Nile, Acholi, Lango and Karamoja, collectively referred to as WOC. Our foundation was built through a bottom-up approach incorporating the voices and aspirations of creatives across these regions. Our mission is to empower, unite, and industrialize the creative sector, which remains vast, rich, and untapped. Northern Uganda is blessed with immense talent, but has endured devastating conflicts, unemployment, and disunity. Out of this adversity, we, the creatives, came together to plan for our future. Guided by the Operation Wealth Creation team, we developed a 10-year proposal worth Uganda shilling 49 billion to invest in the creative sector. We believe that if government can invest in oil and gas, it can also invest in the creative industry, which has the potential to employ thousands of talented Ugandans and drive regional economic growth. Government partnership. We are grateful to General Salim Saleh, who requested the Ministry of Gender, Labor and Social Development to support our work. He pledged Uganda shilling 2.1 billion for mobilization, sensitization, and registration of creatives across 39 districts, municipalities, and cities within the work regions. So far, we have signed a 1-year MOU with the Ministry of Gender and received Uganda shilling 1 billion to begin circle activities. We humbly request the Minister of Gender to continue funding work, especially by investing in information, sensitization, and releasing the fund placed by General Salim Saleh. Our region struggles with limited access to information about the creative sector. And there is an urgent need for government to redirect more resources toward the mobilization, sensitization, and registration of our members to enable us to fully mobilize and register creatives across northern Uganda. Achievements since establishment. Since our inception in December 2024, Work Creative Arts Foundation as we opened up our office on plot 13 Airfield Road, Gulu City, where we are now briefing new people. We registered the Work Creative Arts Foundation. The certificates are all here, which is set to officially launch, giving out loans to its member on the 1st of January 2026. We have also conducted financial literacy and personal saving training through the support from Microfinance Support Center, and also with the guidance from Commercial Officer of Noya District Local Government. We also opened jam session at the Work Creative Headquarters in Gulu City to nurture talents. This one is a manifestation for the last 1 year. We have been running the program. We have also initiated maize agro farming project to benefit members. We also have to fight on food security as the member of the creative. We also registered over 5,000 creatives across the workshop region. We also partnered with the National Coffee and Cocoa Research Institute, NACORI, to promote coffee and cocoa research and innovation, dissemination, as well as overall national socio-economic transformation through coffee and cocoa value chain development, with a strong community, cultural, creative, and performing arts component. This achievement demonstrates our commitment to building a sustainable creative economy. Gratitude. We extend our heartfelt thanks to President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni for his leadership in recognizing the creative industry in Uganda as a contributor to economic growth. We also extend our gratitude to Honorable Betty Amonge Akena and our technical team at the Ministry of Gender, Labor and Social Development for embracing our program. General Salim Saleh, Chief Coordinator Operation Wealth Creation, for his instrumental role in persuading government to partner with Work Creative Arts Foundation. We don't forget our patron, Madam Sylvia Damale Owore, our patron, who sacrificed and vision united creatives in northern Uganda. We also want to extend our gratitude to Commercial Officer who actually sacrificed his time to give us technical guidance on cooperative society inputs. I also want to thank ourselves, the work directors, under the leadership of Aboda Solomon, who have weathered the storm with resilience and focus, ensuring Work Creative Arts Foundation remain a legally established, non-political, member-based institution. Call to action. As we prepare to launch our circle in January, we call upon all creatives in northern Uganda to embrace this program through mass registration, be a registered member of Work Creative Arts Foundation. For someone to be a registered member, you have to pay Ghana shilling only 10,000. We also want to embrace people for the subscription of the circle, which costs Ghana shilling 20,000. And we encourage the member to at least buy 2 shares in the circle, because with circle to sustain itself, the government is encouraging saving. Personal saving is the key for development of our country. So in total, for registration, subscription, and shares, a member of the creative need to part out with Ghana shilling 130,000. Save a minimum of 20,000 monthly so that you are able to be part of this movement. As Work Circle, we have designed tailored loan products for the registered work artists, ranging from asset financing, equipment, and other instruments, production loans, album, films, arts, music shows, and launch. drama, songwriting, fashion shows, and others. Micro loan, quick working capital for business, agriculture, and events. Looking ahead, our 49 billion proposal and visions. Uganda shilling 20 billion shall be invested into circle development. 29 billion will be directed toward infrastructure, innovation, equipment, hospitality, cultural tourism, and agriculture. We ask the government to adapt and implement this proposal in full. As Uganda shilling 1 billion represent only 2.4% of our plan, with full support, we can realize our dream of industrializing the creative sector and positioning northern Uganda as a leader in creative industry development. In conclusion, we are grateful for the partnership with government and remain committed to transparency, accountability, and impact. Together, we can transform the creative industry into a pillar of economic growth and social unity for northern Uganda and beyond. Thank you, Mr. Simon Oyo Nyigiling, Secretary General, World Creative Arts Foundation. Thank you so much. With that,